Let's see the example of Unit 2. Example 1. The official distance of marathon race is 42.195 kilometer. Express this distance in meter. Okay, so we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Dear children, whenever you are doing this kind of problem, at first you want to check what are the units given and what are the units asked. Okay, so here kilometer is given, we need to find out in the meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So what about 42.195 kilometer? One thing is there, we need to find out for many number, that is the bigger number, so we should do the multiplication. Very simple, right? So 42.195 into 1000. Okay, to convert kilometer into meter, do the multiplication by 1000. Okay, if you are multiplying, you have to move to your decimal point to your left side or right side. To the right side. So how many numbers you have to move? 1, 2, 3. So move the decimal point to 1, 2, 3. After 3 numbers, keep a decimal point. So 4, 2. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 9, 5. After that, keep a decimal point. As I said before, if the numbers are missing, after the decimal point, no numbers are there, no? So you just put a 0. Or else you just leave it as 42,195 meter. That's what your answer. So we converted this kilometer into meter. Okay, so I will tell a shortcut to remember the steps. Okay, I will tell the shortcut now. The thing is, if kilometer is given, that is, if the greatest unit is given, if the smallest unit is asked to do the multiplication. Kilometer and meter, which is bigger? Kilometer is bigger. So kilometer only given. So we need to find out a smaller unit. So do the multiplication. If suppose meter is given, kilometer is asked, you want to do the division. Divided by 1000 you have to do. Is that clear? So if bigger given, smaller asked, you want to do the multiplication. If smaller given, bigger asked, you want to do the division. Okay, I will show one more example, then easily you will understand. The average rainfall of Tamil Nadu is 998 millimeter. Convert it into centimeter. Convert it into centimeter. So what are the two units are given? Millimeter and centimeter. Millimeter and centimeter. Which is bigger? Centimeter is bigger, millimeter is smaller. So here smaller only given. If smaller is given, what you have to do? Do the division. Do the division. This is what the shortcut. Okay, so what is the relation between centimeter and millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. But here millimeter only given. So you want to find out for only 1 millimeter. So transport this 10 to the opposite side. So it is divided by 10. Okay, that's why I said if smaller unit is given, do the division by the numbers. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now it is very easy. 998 millimeter is there. No, so what do you want to do? 998 divided by 10. So instead of 1 millimeter, write 998 millimeter is equal to how many how many zeros are there? 1 0 is there. So after one number you want to move the decimal point, but here there is no decimal point, no. So what shall we do? You just consider this as 998.0. Consider that as 998.0. Okay, already I said no, if the number is missing, you just put a 0. So 0.0 is there. Here, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So move your decimal point after one number to the left side. So the answer is 99.8 centimeter. The answer is 99.8 centimeter. So we converted that millimeter as centimeter. So the answer is 99.8 centimeter. Easy, no? So you can check out the remaining sums. Exercise sums, you can use the same method. I will send the tabular column for the conversion. Memory the tabular column, after that do the problems. Okay? Try your exercise sums.